We needed some nature today. Sadly, the river has covered most of the park because it's been doing a lot of raining around here. This is actually a park. Hard to tell it because it's underwater, but we still needed this. Just the peace, the quiet, the birds. We needed this a lot. I'm gonna see if we can't get down a little bit along the river's edge to see what we can see, but yeah. Come on, people, seriously. Ugh. It's literally right next to the garbage can. Okay, let's make certain we don't fall, or at least try to make certain we don't fall, because yeah, that would be bad. Okay. Oh God, I love the sound of wind through the trees. And yes, I'm using a ski pole as a walking stick because it works really, really well. Squishy. Oop, getting a little too soggy there. Do not have waterproof shoes. Let's follow the path that somebody else has made. Ouch. Squishy swamp. Might actually be nothing more than a deer trail, but don't care. Oh, nope, somebody was trying to build either a house, a home, a tree house, something. A shelter, from the looks of it. And a truck on the nearby highway. This actually looks like it's been here for a while. size of some of the trees that the river took down. Well, unless somebody decides to come along and clean them up once the river's dropped a bit, they'll provide a lot of life and shelter for the local wildlife. And something tells me I'm not going to be able to get down to the water's edge. Oh well, back the other way. That, and I'm not too keen on the spider webs I keep walking through. Yes, I know it's nature. Doesn't mean I want it all over me. Oh, let's see if we can't get down there. Oh, yep, sogged foot. Okay, I knew that. I knew it. But didn't stop us from trying. Gonna have soggy, muddy shoes when we get home. Don't matter. It's not like it's gonna kill us. Yee, squish. Oh. Yep, and that's why we have a walking stick. Because that almost got messy. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Very squishy. You know what? Fuck it. Our feet are already wet. They're gonna get wet. Let's go for it. River walk. Oh. You don't have to be crazy to love nature, but it helps to get you out into it when it's cool and wet. And this video is almost 10 minutes long, but I don't care. It'll go up on my YouTube channel. Yeah. Birds flying. I don't know if they're picking them up on camera. Nope. Too far away. That's the path. And the porta potty got tipped over. Oh, I would have thought they would have anchored it down at least a little bit better due to the river flooding. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this nature walk with us. I'm not sure who I'm here with, but yeah, this is Peaceful Unity. Cat hosting. And at least one new headmate who's very interested and intent on nature. So, yeah. water is exceedingly clear, even for being floodwaters. It's actually beautiful.